Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Sid, and you are rolling with me, Sid. Thank you guys for returning back to the channel. Thank you guys for all the subscribers. I'm at 1,000 subscribers. Actually, anywho, thank you. I appreciate you. I thank you guys for commenting and sharing and all of that. I appreciate you guys, and welcome to the gang. Welcome, whatever we call each other. Anyway, but I got a video. I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be doing a lot of different things. Like right now I'm here getting Carisha, which is the Acura, inspected because it needs to be inspected by the end of the month. So I'm coming to do that, and then I'm also gonna take Cavari to get the windshield tinted. All my cars there, the front windshield is tinted because I don't like people really looking at me in the rear view. I think it's weird. But either way, you know what I'm saying? I like privacy in my cars. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take you guys along with me. But I really, really appreciate the subscribers and the new subscribers, the old subscribers. So yeah, we got a lot that we're going to be doing on this channel. I'm going to be doing things with, I'm going to be changing up Cavari a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because I love the car. I love it. Stunner Reese did his thing on it. But you know, that was his thing. So now I have it. So I have to do my thing on it. You know what I'm saying? I got to put my take on it at the end of the day. But it's going to be a process. Everything's not going to be overnight. So you guys just stay tuned and keep watching and commenting and all of that, because I appreciate it. I interact back too as well. You also guys can go follow me on Instagram, Rolling with Sid, same thing. TikTok, Rolling with Sid, same thing. Everything is on there. So some things might be on there first before they be on YouTube. But yeah, just go follow all those social medias or whatever. But so today I'm off. I got one day off this week. Well, no, two, but I'm off today. But anywho, I'm gonna go while I'm getting this car inspected. I think I'm gonna go back and pick Cavari up and take it and drop it off at Black Optics Tint. That's who does my tint. And if you guys want to get anything tint related done, you can go check them out. They're pretty decent or whatever. I think I'm gonna go do that while I'm waiting, because I got a lot of people in front of me out here trying to get their car inspected. So to kill two birds with one stone, I'm gonna go home and leave this car here, and then just come back and pick it up later and take Cavari to drop it off. And then I got some other things that I'm going to be doing today that I'm going to bring you guys along as well. So I will be back with you guys in like 3, 2. So while I'm waiting on my ride, we'll sit here and we'll chat a little bit. We'll talk a little bit. This thing with winning Cavari is like a life-changing type thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I never won anything like that. You know what I'm saying? I win stuff, but I never won a car. You know what I'm saying? I always buy my cars or whatever, but I won a car. Like, that thing is like, it's still kind of hard to get my mind around it, that I actually won a car, and a car that I want. It's like hard to explain. I wish everybody could have this feeling of that. You know what I'm saying? Of in their lifetime, like feeling something like this. Like it's I don't even know what to say. But like that thing is like, it's kind of different. I sit and I when I get up in the morning, I go look and see is the car still there, because I'm like, is this real? Like, you know what I'm saying? I know it's real, you know what I'm saying? But I be trying to see, like, you know, is it really real? Like, you know what I'm saying? We all enter in these raffles and play the lottery and do all of these things with the intent on trying to win. But when you actually win, it's like, damn, me? You know what I'm saying? Out of all the thousands and thousands of people that entered into the raffle, said won. Said won. Yeah. But I just wanted to come back and talk about that or whatever, and just express how I feel about that, because that's like yeah. So people are asking me, am I gonna sell the car or what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of that. I think how I want it, I'm so connected to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like God gave it to me for a reason, and the universe gave it to me for a reason, not to just go sell it for a liquid asset or for money. I'm good with money anyway. So like, that's not an issue. You know what I'm saying? But even like, if I sell it 10 years from now, that's still more money than what I put into the raffle. I only paid $134 for the raffle. So that's still, a come up for me either way. But I'm not looking for that. I'm looking to enjoy what God and the universe has blessed me with. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't all about money or a business thing or whatever. Yeah, business is cool. I've done that, been there, done that, and I'm still doing it. At the end of the day, YouTube is a business. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I think I'm gonna, just roll with it and enjoy this moment. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna enjoy this moment because it's a moment. Everybody that knows that won a car from either CJ on 32s or Stunner Reese or whoever, Rail to Real, whoever, you know what I'm saying? Y'all understand what I'm feeling. Like, you know what I'm saying? You understand. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But I just wanted to talk about that. I'm waiting on my ride, so I ain't had nothing to do. So I just wanted to talk to y'all, the people. You know what I'm saying? I got people now. No, I had people before, but not 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So, anywho, I'm happy about that. Like, I got 1,000 subscribers. What? Yeah, but anywho, I hope you guys come to the channel and you guys stay on the positive note. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a positive type dude. I'm not with that negative stuff, that negative energy stuff. I'm not on it. So if y'all on that, then you might as well, go somewhere else with that. But so far, everybody's been positive. You know what I'm saying? Most people have been positive. But you know what I'm saying? So you guys like, you guys subscribe, you guys share the video. And I hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm bringing to you. And if you like what I'm bringing so far, go back and look at some of the older videos. So I got fragrance reviews, I got car reviews, I got cooking, I got some of trucking, I got some of everything on here. So a little something for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So this channel is not just going to be about Cavari, because I had this channel before Cavari, but Cavari is a good addition to the channel. Thank you. So the other videos that I'm bringing in the future are not just going to be about Cavari. So yeah, but I hope you guys stay tuned, and in the comments, let me know, you know what I'm saying, what y'all want to see next, or what y'all think I should do for Cavari or whatever on the channel. If fragrance, cooking, trucking, cars, all of that. Just let me know and hit down in the comments and let me know or whatever. But anywho, I'll be back with you guys when I get to the tint shop. Hey, good. How you doing? I'm back. I just want to get the front windshield tint.
Because you're only doing where the ship's headed, right?
Yeah. All right, so I got it done at Black Optics Tint. Can you tell them your address and phone number, or where they can reach you at to get this done if they're in the Richmond, Virginia area?
Yeah, we are at 5601 Midlothian Turnpike. Phone number 804-359-7300.
So you guys heard it, Black Optics Tint. Look at that. Look at the work. I bring all my cars here, so y'all, it's trusted. Y'all can come here and get it done. But I'll be back
So
in
guys,
like 3,
I'm
2.
back. Look at Cavari. Look at it. Look at that front windshield. Look at, you see it? You see that? You see that? Cavari 2.0, blacked out. But yeah, it's all cleaned up now. You know what I'm saying? Where it was got the tint in the front. You see it? I'm working on something for the wheels or whatever. So that's something's coming. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Check it out. The top is before the tint and the bottom is after the tint. If you really look at it, you really can't tell the difference. So guys, don't be scared to get your front windshield tinted. do it and makes your car look way, way, way better.
Well, that concludes the rest of this video. Hope you guys liked the vlog. You like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and tune in to what I do next. You guys have a great week, great weekend, and I will see you guys on the next video.